Hi everyone and welcome back to the Organized Notebook. In this video, we wanted to show you how you can build a mood board using Notion. We'll be showing you two main ways to do this, so let's get started. So the first thing we'll do is open a empty Notion page and let's just title this mood board. And next you can either add an icon or add a cover photo by clicking these, and we'll just go with something that has a picture here like this. And you could add a cover here as well. So if we're going to go for some kind of mountain themed mood board, we'll just go with a mountain and click here and reposition like this. And now we'll start with an empty page, and you can also choose if you want small text full width. In the case of a mood board, it doesn't really matter too much which you choose. So we'll just go with small text full width toggled off, but if you want more space, you can toggle it on. And now we're going to create a gallery view database. So if we type /gallery, you can choose gallery view, and we'll do plus new database. And we'll name this mood board. And what we can do now is to go to the three dots here to adjust the settings. So if we go to layout, we can hide the database title by toggling this off so that it looks cleaner. And we can choose to change the card preview to page cover. And you can choose between medium, small, or large in terms of how big you want the photo. We'll stick with medium here. And you can also choose whether or not to fit the image or not fit the image. So if you fit the image, it's going to show the exact picture you put in here. But if it's not toggled on, it's going to just fit this whole space. So we're just going to keep it toggled off. And then we can also go to properties here and toggle off the name so that we can get a clear view. And now we can start adding photos. So if we click into here and we click add cover, you can change the cover here. And we'll just go to Unsplash. Of course, you can use your own pictures by uploading them through Upload or by finding links on the web and submitting them here. And let's say in the Unsplash stock image library, we just look for more mountain pictures. So we can put some here and we'll put more. So now we have a couple mountain pictures like this. And if you're adding your own pictures here or you want some more additional information, what you can do is add it by clicking into one of these, and we'll just remove these defaults that were added here. And you can add tags. So for example, this is a nighttime mountain. So we could put night mountain by typing it in and enter. And you could even add a date property here. So when you added it, you could just put a date like this. And what you can do is that now you could actually go to the three dots here and group it by the tag. So now we have the night mountain in here and no tags here like this. So this is another great way to sort of keep track of your mood board if you need different categories like this. Or alternatively, you could click this gallery view, duplicate it, and then you could just name this night mountain. And you could filter it by the tag so that each tab is going to show a filtered version of your mood board depending on your tag like this. So that's another option you can do. And we can ungroup this by going to here and group by none. So now you can see that it's filtered by tag night mountain. And in this version, we have it so that it is separated into groups based on the tags. So now let's say that we wanted to tag this lake mountain, then we can enter, and now we see it here like this. And if you want to change the order, you can go to the three dots here and go to group, and you can move it by dragging like this so that you can choose your own method of how it's shown. So this is one way to do it if you want a mood board depending on different tags. Or you could just continuously create new gallery views by typing /gallery and making a new board each time. So that's another possibility. to create your mood board and different mood boards. And the next thing we wanted to show you is that you could also make slash table and create a table view. And these could be a collection of mood boards. So we'll do mood boards instead. And inside we're going to put a mood board. So if this is a mountain mood board and we open it up, you could either add this gallery view that you made already in here, or what you can do is now start adding pictures by just embedding them. So then you could do slash image, and you could either embed or add by link, Unsplash, or even add GIFs. So if we just go to Unsplash and now we look more for mountains, you could start putting mountain pictures this way. And if we expand this, you'll see it like this. And in this case, we recommend small text full width so that you get more space. And what you can do is, let's say that we add another mountain picture by typing slash image and Unsplash mountain. You can actually drag this so that you can create multiple columns like this. So this is another way to create mood boards. So you can do something like this, and you could add another image here, Unsplash mountain, and so on. So this is another method for you to create a mood board. So those are our methods for creating a mood board using Notion. We hope that this was useful for you. We'll leave a link to this template in the description below with the several mood board options so you can check how it should look like. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions or anything that was confusing in this video. And we hope to see you in the next one.